Hello friends, today we have a BMW 5 Series in the back of the G30. On the example of this car, we will show you the mistakes that are made when installing the Ixsound system. One of the main mistakes is not the correct location of the drain hole. The drain hole must be at the bottom. The next mistake is connecting the OBD connector and using it on a permanent basis. The client drives with the connector connected. The OBD connector gets in the way of his legs and drains car battery. The next mistake is connected to the mass of the car. Often, the mass is connected to a painted surface, screwed poorly, or even connected to plastic. Another mistake when connecting the Ixsound system is connecting the power supply to a constant plus. The system must be connected to ACC. With the ignition off, no power should be supplied to the system. Another mistake is the observance of the polarity of the cam-twisted pair. Friends, we have demonstrated on the example of this car the main mistakes that are made when installing the Ixsound system. If you have any problems, you can contact support and request installation instructions.